A good day to all of the students. My name is Einstein Pillai Sankaran. This lesson is prepared as an introduction lesson for organic chemistry for the IGCSE student who are taking 0620 chemistry or 0654 coordinated science. Our topic today is about organic chemistry. So many of us have heard about this topic from our friends, colleagues, and teachers. However, this topic is very interesting, and I like to show you ways and means to understand this topic in a very simple way with fun and happy. So, we'll go through with my very short slide, about 6 of them, in a very short time, and we can understand this new topic and remember it forever. So organic chemistry introduction, lesson 1. So my 3 top questions before I always start the lesson. The first question, what are organic compounds? What is homologous series? What organic compound is covered in the topic for the IGCSE? Take a piece of paper and pen and try to sketch or write down the answers for these 3 questions. I give you about 10 seconds and we go through this and see how your answer is almost correct with whatever you have known. Are you ready? Okay, the first question. What are organic compounds? All organic compounds contain the element carbon. Okay, so this is the prerequisite about organic compound. They must contain carbon. Most organic compounds also contain hydrogen. So hydrocarbon is an organic compound containing only hydrogen and carbon. Some students may ask, can they contain other element as well? Yes, they can contain other element as well. Example, they may contain oxygen, they may contain sulfur or nitrogen, any other element. But for our focus, we are only going to discuss about hydrocarbon containing hydrogen and carbon. We also will discuss some other organic compound that usually contain oxygen. So, example of organic compound. Many students found it difficult to think about example of organic compound. But my dear student, so many things surrounding us are made of organic compound. Example, this pen is made of a plastic casing. The clothes are made from nylon. The tie, the ribbon, the card, the plastic name tag. Your handphone, your watch, your wallet. Let's go to a big item. Plate that we use to take our lunch every day. Cups. And I believe all of us have a water bottle that we carry to our schools. All these are examples of organic compound. And of course, so many things. For example, the chair, the leather chair that we see, and things like this are all made of organic compound. Generally, so many things surrounding us are organic compound. Okay. However, kindly take note that carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and carbonate are not organic compound, despite the fact they contain carbon. They are considered as an inorganic compound. So remember, when somebody asks you what is organic compound, so many things surrounding us, It must contain carbon. In some time, beside carbon, it also would contain hydrogen, oxygen, and other elements. Hydrocarbon is a specific type of organic compound that only contain hydrogen and carbon. The next question. What is homologous series? So some of us knows that homo means similar, and probably we have heard about logarithm in mathematics. So it means the same log. Okay, so organic compounds are classified into families or homologous series. Okay, so when I say families, it's a way of learning. An example, we say herbivore. So it's a families of animal that are usually eating herbs or scrubs. We say carnivore. It's a families of animal that are eating other animals, right? We say omnivore. It's a families of animal that can eat both herbs and other animals. In the similar way, organic compounds are classified into families. And these families, we call it homologous series. So they have the same functional group and similar chemical properties. So it will make it easier to understand. For an example, when I say herbivore, all of them or most of them are eating shrubs and grasses. So in the same manner, the chemical properties in homologous are similar. They have the same functional group. So functional group is an atom or a group of atoms that gives a molecule its character properties. Okay. So why they have similar chemical properties? Because they have the same functional group. This is very important, and probably you like to highlight this. All the chemical in the homologous series having similar chemical properties. Okay, this is very important. Now, our last question. So, what are we covering in our IGCSE for 0620 or 0654? For this topic in IGCSE, we are covering alkane, alkenes, alcohol, carboxylic acids, and polymers. Okay, so polymer is actually a combination of some organic compound. An example, okay, alcohol and carboxylic acid, it produces ester, it is covered. Okay, so another type of polymer is nylon, it is covered. So we will learn this topic from a sequence of alkane, alkene, alcohol, carboxylic acid, and polymers. So you need to subscribe or watch my other lesson as we will learn in this sequence that will help us and enable us to remember for our exam. So before I finish the lesson today, which is very short as I promised earlier, I have 3 questions for you to ponder before you watch my second lesson. So activities for the next lesson. Number 1, find the name of some organic compound for each homologous series. Maybe 2 or 3 name of the organic compound in alkane, in alkene, in alcohol, or in carboxylic acid. So I leave it to you. Write down in a paper the name of this chemical compound. The next one. Try to think what is similar in each homologous series. If you're not sure, rewatch my video. You already get one answer just now we have mentioned. What is similar in each homologous series? An example, what is similar among all alkane groups? What is similar among all alkenes? What are similar among all alcohols? Last question for you. What is the differences in each homologous series? So guys, this is my 3 questions. I like you try to find out this. It will be helpful when we cover up in the next lesson. That's all for today. If you have any question, feel free to put a message in the YouTube down here. I will answer to you, and I hope you would watch and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye for now.